Everyone, please take a screenshot of these two. Um, Ma'am has joined.
Should I start?
Sakshi ma'am has not joined yet. When to start? Kartika,
Shall I
start.
proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Good evening to Anandal present here. I start my part of this webinar. This is me, Kartika. Me and my team members going to present a webinar on the topic hygienic and sanitation. The team members are Ashmata Panda, Riya Rahov, Harshit Thakur, and Vaishnavi Sethi. Let's start with me. First of all, I tell about small intro of OEF organization. Now I am going to talk on the topic OEF. Youth Empowerment Foundation is organization to give a direction these ROs through their initiatives and programs. Empowering youth to grow, learn, and be the torch bearers for the future is one of the major impact organization aims to achieve. OEF is a non-profit organization. It's 100% true, and I agree with 100%. Founded in June 2017 by Mr. Rambabu Sharma, inspired by his own life journey. The founder, along with his team, has laid a strong foundation to educate the underprivileged children of the society and hence the bridge gap between them and the world. Next. Next, I tell about the vision of OEF. We have taken initiative for social welfare by end of the year 2015, formally registered under Societies Registration Act 112 of 1860 in 2017. Center were open to equip our youngsters with knowledge and skill to make them self-reliant. Our team visited slums for counseling and parents. More than 100 children, youth enrolled in free education and skill training programs. Group of unemployed women and also joined train under these programs. Next. Yeah, uh, I'm going to talk about the what is sanitation. The process of keeping places free from dirt, infection, disease, etc. by removing waste, trash, and garbage, by cleaning our streets, washing yourself, safe drinking water, etc. In my point of view, sanitation is public health condition related to clean drinking water and disposal of human and sewage. Over to Vaishnavi.
Yes. Yes, sanitation means promoting the public health by preventing the human exposure with the wastes. So sanitation is related with the clean drinking water as well as providing the proper sewage disposal services. So sanitation is important, as I said, because it will promote the public health, and as well as there are various diseases which can cause due to the inadequate sanitation. So for example, diarrhea, typhoid, hepatitis A, and polio. So diarrhea is the most dangerous disease because about 1.5 million children die every day. Due to 1.5 million people die every year due to this inadequate sanitation. So sanitation is important because it will protect our family from the illness as well as the diseases. So it will boost our self-confidence. It will increase our productivity. Also, it will helpful for maintaining the physical as well as mental health, and it will provide a better quality of life. So these are the importance of sanitation. So next, yeah. Sanitation is important aspect of the community well-being because it will extend our lifespan, as well as it will improves the public health, and it is benefit for the economy. So the one of the important key goal of this sanitation is that it will prevent the human exposure from the pathogens. So as I mentioned earlier, there are various diseases that can cause due to the inadequate sanitation. So example, roundworm is there, which will spread to the fecals of the infected people. So if we make sure that the people do not defecate in the open, definitely we can reduce these diseases to some level. So yes, next. As I said already, the sanitation is it will benefit our economy. So there are a number of studies which has been proved that there exists a strongest link between the economic growth as well as the sanitation. So if we practice good sanitation, definitely it will our family can save the money on the treatment as well as the health care. So finally, I would like to tell you that it's our responsibility to maintain the hygiene as well as clean in and around our area, so that our family, it will benefit our family as well as the society, so that we can eradicate the diseases to a great level. So over to you, Harshit.
Sanitation is important for social development. Sanitation is a global development priority and the subject of sustainable development goal. When you keep yourself and your surroundings clean, you fall sick less often and are more likely to attend school work regularly. If you are healthy, you can help build a strong society. Lack of access to sanitation has an impact not only on public health, but also on human dignity and personal safety. Helps the environment. Sanitation helps the environment. The overall purpose of sanitation are to provide a healthy living environment for everyone, to protect the natural resources such as surface water, groundwater, soil, and to provide safety, security, and dignity for people when they defecate or urinate. What is hygiene? Hygiene is a practice of keeping yourself and your surrounding clean, especially in order to prevent illness or spread of disease. Be extra careful about personal hygiene. Poor sanitation and hygiene caused many of the soldiers to get sick. He has very poor personal hygiene. Brushing your teeth regularly is an important part of good dental hygiene. Washing your hands frequently with soap and water is an easy way to prevent germs from spreading around your kitchen and to other food. Now move over to you, Ria.
Thank you, Harshit.
Yeah.
Now let us talk about the importance of hygiene in one's life. Good hygiene is vital because it helps prevent us and our families from getting or spreading germs that may cause many infectious diseases. And the importance of hygiene is very well known to us after we have encountered with a highly infectious virus, that is COVID-19. We can say that the only positive aspect of this whole corona situation is that we learned a proper way of maintaining personal hygiene along with the hygiene of our surrounding. And you know what was more shocking? The people of Dharavi, which is one of the Asia's biggest slums in Mumbai, did not have access to soaps and clean toilets. The cramped communal toilets, each shared by thousands, lie dirty, further heightening the fear of spread of COVID-19. And this fear soon turned out to be a reality, as Dharavi became a hotspot of COVID-19 for a longer period. So this whole situation highlights the main importance of hygiene, that is, it prevents us from illness and disease. A good personal hygiene also gives us the confidence and certainty of representing ourselves in front of others. Good hygiene in our surrounding makes it a better place to live in and provides people with peace and mental stability. Next. Now let us talk about the improvement to be made for maintaining hygiene. Hygiene can be maintained by improving the access of people to various hardwares like water, sanitation, and household technologies. We can improve it by washing our hands and body often, cleaning our teeth properly, using hand washes and soaps, preparing and eating food with clean hands, etc. Effective hygiene will act as a wall between us and the various diseases and viruses ready to attack us. Next. Now let us talk about maintaining hygiene condition in daily life. Next. Yeah. So this data, according to the Public Health Association, only 50% of population wash hands with soap after defecation. 38% wash hands with soap before eating, and only 30% wash hands with soap before preparing food. So this data makes it necessary to pop out our eyes and see the reality. Mostly, we ignore the importance of hygiene, but it is very important to maintain hygiene for our own healthy life. Now, let us talk about what good hygiene and poor hygiene leads to. Good hygiene is one of the best ways to protect yourself from getting illness. Washing hands with soap removes germs that can make us ill. It will also prevent spread of diseases. Poor hygiene can be a sign of self-neglect, which is the inability or unwillingness to attend one's personal needs. It also leads to physical, mental, and emotional disorders. Over to you, Ashmita.
Thank you, Ria. So let's talk about good personal hygiene. Bath regularly, wash your body and your hair often. Trim your nails, keeping your finger and toenails trimmed and in good shape. Otherwise, you will prevent to have a disease such as hangnails and infected nail beds. Brush and floss. These both things is very important in our day-to-day life. Ideally, you should brush your teeth after every meal. Wash your hand. During this pandemic, we should wash our hand before every meal, or we are going to out, then we should wash after that. Sleep tight. Sleeping 18 hours daily is a healthy life study. Next, causes of poor hygiene. Brain trauma. It is a common disease that found more than 1 million cases per year in India. Delusional disorder. It is a serious mental illness called a psychotic disorder. Drug-induced psychosis, also known as stimulate psychosis, refers to any psychotic episode. So avoid inducing drug. Lack of social support. It is very important to have a social support. Supportive family, friends are also necessary for a healthy life. Physical disability. In this case, let's take an example. When a female is pregnant, then she have to take care of her health, take nutritious food to avoid physical disability nature in her newborn. It is very essential for her to take care of her newborn baby and her too. Poverty, where it states in which a people or community lack the financial resource and essential for a minimum standard of living. Our YEF team have a supportive corner for them. They provide love in a back package to those needy who doesn't afford anything. Vascular dementia causes memory loss in older adults, particularly in those at higher risk. So we have to stay away from every unhealthy environment to stay healthy. Next. So let's talk and end this webinar with a healthy conclusion. The health and hygiene are two factors that plays an important role in human life. The lifespan of human being is mostly based on the individual health. The health is maintained by taking hygienic food at proper interval of time. The mortality rate can be decreased if the person consumes only hygienic food and maintain his health in good condition. This is because most of the food items act as medicines and certain diseases. Thus, being healthy and consuming hygienic food is very essential for each of us. During this pandemic, we should sanitize and keep healthy our dear and near one and our surrounding too. Thank you from Team 13. If you have any question, then please put it on the chat box. internship Google form to take a internship in YEF.